Hello, my name is Hector Hurtado. I'm doing the EDSU 530 class, SDAI. Today we will be doing a fitness unit. Its standards will be 1.3 combine manipulative locomotor and non-locomotor skills into movement patterns. 2.2 analyze movement patterns and correct errors. 3.2 evaluate individual measures of physical fitness in relationship to patterns of physical activity. So I have the class starting off. They do their warm-ups. They line up on their numbers. They have leaders that come up to the front and guide them through the exercises and stretches for their warm-ups. They then take two laps around the basketball gym or basketball court if we're outdoors. They will then get back on their numbers and they will sit down on their numbers and wait for my instruction. So today we will be doing a fitness unit, and we're calling it strength in pairs. What you will be doing is you will be doing a circuit, as you can see around the room, that there are different stations where you're doing different types of exercises. These exercises focus on different types of muscles. So you will be learning the different pairs of muscles or different muscles that work together to perform this physical activity or this physical movement exercise. You will be carrying around your guys' journals today. You will also be writing down, so you're going to make sure you have a pencil with you. So this was all given prior to the class coming outside. They were told in the locker room. So you will write down on page 1, you will write down strength in pairs. You will write down 1 through 15, number down 1 through 15, and you will have a space in between each number. What you will be doing is you will be also given a KWL chart. And this is what it looks like. A KWL chart is what you know, which is what you're going to write in this column, what you want to know, and what you will learn. So in the beginning, we're going to talk about focus of muscles. So what do you know about muscles? What kind of activities do you know that will strengthen them? What exactly do you know about muscles? Example would be they help lift different objects because you're using them. They build strength. You can build strength with them. So you're going to write down what you know about them, what you would like to know about them. Maybe an example could be, how could you build strength in a specific muscle group such as the legs? So that could be an example too. And when we are done with the activity, you will write down what you have learned about them. So maybe you have learned new names of muscles. Maybe you have learned what kind of activity you can do with that specific muscle group, or what muscle group is used during a specific activity or specific exercise. That could be an example as well. So what you are going to do is you're going to be walking around. There will be a circuit. Every station has a question with a picture that looks like this. The pictures will not have the names because it will be asking a question first. So it'll be a page that looks like this. It'll be blank, and it'll be pointing at the muscle, specific muscle, and it'll tell you what the exercise is, push-ups. So the question, for example, will ask, what muscle groups are used during a push-up? So you will think about it with your partner. You guys will discuss, and then you will write down your answers. So you're going to use at least 2 muscle groups that you were list 2 muscle groups that you are working with for this specific exercise. Once you are done, you may flip the page, and the page under it will have this exact picture with the names on it itself. So each muscle will be given, and if you got it correct, then go ahead and leave it. If not, go ahead and fix your answer, and then the next step is you will perform the exercise itself. Another example would be sit-ups. So the same thing, the muscle groups are given, and the question is asked about that specific movement and the specific muscles that are used. And when we are done, we will get back into our groups. We will go ahead and get into groups of 4, and you will share your